what's up? This is Patrick from Guy in the Cube, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to take page navigation to the next level. No, I'm not. I'm just going to show you how easy it is to set up page navigation with the new Page Navigator option in Power BI Desktop. Stay tuned. If you find this for the very first time, be sure to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date from all the videos from both Adam and this guy. Okay, page navigation can be a pain in the to maintain and to set up. They did make it easier when they allowed the new page navigation option for buttons. And before the page navigation option came out, we would set up bookmarks and then set up the state and then create them all and have all these bookmarks for all our pages. But to maintain it across multiple pages, it can be cumbersome. It can be something that's not very enjoyable. Well, in the latest release of the Power BI Desktop, they actually made it so much simpler. And that's what I'm going to show you in this video. So you guys know what I like to do. Instead of all this talking, let's do what? Let's head over to my laptop. We've set up this report where the United States is the landing page. And then we focus on California and Texas because that's our big money states. And we added these buttons at the top to navigate across the pages. And you can see if I go to California, it'll bring me to United States and Texas. And if I go to Texas, it'll bring me to United States and California. It's a pretty comprehensive navigation here. But what if I wanted to add a new page? What if I wanted to reorder things? What if I wanted to delete something? Whew, man, that would be a lot of work. But with the new page navigation option, so much easier. Let me show you what I'm talking about. I'm going to get rid of all these buttons on every page. And then I'm going to head back to the default page and I'm going to go to Insert, look for button, go down to the navigator and choose Page Navigator. Boom, look at that. All those buttons are automatically created for me. Now there's one that's showing up, it's hidden, and I'll show you how we can get rid of that one easily. But you can see, right, all of them are there for all my pages. One's not showing and one is showing that I don't want to show. So if I want to get rid of that, we'll head over here to the format option. We'll go to pages and you'll see where it says show hidden pages and show tooltip pages. Tooltip pages is automatically hidden. Hidden pages is not. I'm going to go ahead and hide that one. A lot of times when we have this page navigation, we just hide all the pages and the buttons will not allow you to navigate to them. The tooltip pages, I don't know if I would ever use that because I don't want people to navigate directly to them. They're just used when I do hovers and things like that. But the hidden option is definitely something that I will take advantage of going forward when I start creating all my beautiful reports. Now, if I click California, it takes me to California. And then same thing, if I click Texas, it'll take me over to Texas. And it just works. There's some other options here. If I just go ahead and choose it, go to the format pane, I can change the shape and look at the list of shapes that I can choose from. There's all types of shapes. The one that I like the best is this chevron arrow. I really like that one. I'm gonna squish this down a little bit using Adam's really technical term, squishing. And then there's a little option that I saw under style to turn on a glow. Oof, look at that. I like it. Now, what happens if I want to add a page? I click the plus, boom. If I go back to United States, it actually adds that page. But that's not what I want to do. What I really want to do, get rid of that. I want to duplicate Texas. I'm going to call it Washington. I'm going to go change my filter because I only want to see the info for Washington on this guy, not Texas. So now if I go back here, you'll see that it's United States, California, Texas, and Washington. If I move Texas over here, it'll change it up automatically for you. It just kind of handles the management of the page navigation button groups, whatever you want to call it. I don't have to do anything. It just works. The last thing I like to do is I'm going to copy it across all my pages. Once I get it formatted the way I want it to look, I just simply click it, Control C, and then go to all my pages and just go boom, boom, and boom. So now my navigation is ready to go. If I click here, I can go to Texas. If I click here, I can go to United States, California. So now I don't have to worry about anything. Adding new pages, deleting pages, reordering pages, formatting it up. It all happens as a single unit. All right, what do you guys think? You got any questions? You got any comments? Have you used the new page navigation feature? I'd love to know. Let's continue the conversation where? In the comments below. If you're first time visiting the Guy in the Cube channel, hit that subscribe button. If you like my video, give me a big thumbs up. As always, from Adam and myself, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.